Zip ties. It's funny, I've actually already used a few after they just arrived. Zip ties are the perfect extra ingredient to include in your toolkit because these can be used to fasten and secure wires underneath the piano. I recommend zip ties, and more zip ties. Well, you'll also need a clipper or just a pair of scissors to help organize a majority of the wires that should remain neatly kept and stationary underneath a piano. Now keep in mind that some wires may not need zip ties, but instead bendable clips so that customers can access those wires should they need to. Zip ties are very expendable, so you can use as many as you'd like in order to get the job done. What's most important is that you make sure that the wires are nice and tidy and that they're no longer visible. Those unsightly wires can finally be kept at bay.